Hey guys, shaFs here, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, please do subscribe. So today I'm gonna show you a setup which was requested by a subscriber. This setup is based on the Marvel Studios Loki character. So without further ado, let's get started. So the link of the wallpaper will be in the description. You can download it from there, and the apps that you will need for these setups are, it will be the Nova launcher and the KWGT Pro app and the main app and the KWGT packs that you will need. The Scorpion, KWGT Minimalism for KWGT and Hook KWGT will be in the description. You can download it from there. And for the icon pack, I will be using UX LED free, also link in the description. Now we will start the tutorial. First of all, we will go to the settings, then we will go to the home screen, and here we will change the desktop grid size from 10:12 and also enable the subgrid positioning. For the icon layout, icon size will be at 130 without the labels, and dock will be disabled. Then we will scroll down at the bottom at the advanced. The last three options will be enabled. Now we will apply the icon pack, which is the UX LED. After applying, we'll go scroll down and we will disable the notification bar. Now we will add the KWGT widgets. Now we will adjust those. And for the first one, we will search for 49, and as you can see here, Scorpion 49. We'll click on it and then we'll go to the minutes tab and we'll change the color from purple to white, and for the R, same, from yellow to white. And then we will save it and go to the home, and now we will adjust that. Adjust it until it looks fine on the wallpaper. Now for the next widget, we will search 139. After that, we will change the first tag group from white to black. Same for the other text too. After doing that, we will just adjust it and then go to the another tab and do the same, search 139 and adjust the colors. And after that, we will adjust it on home. Then we will search for the next widget, that is 099, and here we will change the size, and that's it. After that, we will search for the another widget, that is 2029. And after that, we will go to the text of 0202, and the second one we will change the shadow from the outer and change the distance and change the color from the color that it shows and increase the blur. It will show the neon effect. And then we will go to every widget and delete the touch action and save all these. And after that, we'll add the icons. After adding the icons, your setup is now complete. If you enjoyed the video, then do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to say something or have any suggestion, then please write it down in the comment section. This is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.